Hi, this is Amy with Line Dance Salt Lake, Utah. Are you ready to get your line dance on? Hi there. Today on Step 2 I'm going to show you how to do hip bumps. Hip bumps can be done in a series of 1 or 2. Let's do a single hip bump. So we're going to bump to the right, bump to the left, or it's going to be a 1, 2. Sometimes we do a double hip bump, syncopated, 1 and 2, 3 and 4. You can also put your arms into it where you can do a 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Whatever you do, just put your own style in it and have some fun with your hip bumps. Hey, thanks for watching. You could be a line dance slut too. Like, subscribe, and share. See you on the dance floor.